Spring trends, there's so many of them this season. So I've just narrowed it down to my top 5 spring trends that I think you need to have in your wardrobe. Let's keep it simple. 5 things you need in your wardrobe this spring. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. And for those of you who do, welcome back. I'm so excited to see you guys. Before I get started in this video, just remember, if you enjoy these videos, hit the subscribe button on your phone. It's down here. On your computer, I think it's over here. It's red. Just hit that. It's free. And I will show up in your mailbox every week and we will hang out. Okay, let's get started. Spring trends. There's a ton of them out there. One of my favorites is the kimono. It's a takeoff on like Japanese pieces. It's the small like Japanese style collars, and the kimono, which has been around a long time, but actually we've seen more and more of it for spring 2018. So any kimono will do that works for you. I'm showing you this one. I got it from Free People. I love it. It's gauzy, it's got floral, it's embellished, it's a little dressier. So I feel like this one I could dress up or dress down. I could wear it with high-heeled boots. I can throw it on with like a t-shirt and shorts in the summer, and it makes a great bathing suit cover-up too. So they're so multi-purpose. If you don't have a kimono in your closet, definitely get one. I will link to this one below. I will actually put a few links of my favorite kimonos below because Gypsy Soul actually makes really good kimonos too. And they're some of my favorites, and they're in silk and they're really cool. So I'll link to those, kimono. Next spring thing that you need to have in your wardrobe, if you don't have one already, it's a wardrobe basic. I talk about this all the time, a classic jean jacket. There's a million out there. It doesn't matter what you like. Obviously in the spring and summer, I like one that's a little bit in a lighter denim, both lighter in how thin it is and also lighter in color. This one I've got at the Gap. I've had it for so many years. Aritzia makes amazing jean jackets. Nordstrom has some, Macy's. Go into Walmart or Target. There is so many out there. You can get a jean jacket for like under $20. Another great place, Value Village. You need one in your wardrobe. You can throw it on with anything. I throw this jean jacket on with springtime like floral dresses. I throw it on with jeans and a t-shirt. I use it on holidays. It is a piece that you need to have in your wardrobe this spring, jean jacket. The next piece that you need to have in your wardrobe is any type of button-down shirt. I would say white or pastel. If you want to get into the spring trends, the pastels are so big right now. So I chose this pastel shirt from Calvin Klein. I have another spring trends video where I've styled it for you. So right now I'm just showing you. So something that you need to have in your wardrobe for spring is a great button-down shirt. It could be a jean shirt, a white shirt. I'm suggesting pastel shirt because it kind of goes with the trends and it's just something great to have in your wardrobe. So this, I would even throw this on top of what I'm wearing with this t-shirt and black jeans just open, and you can wear it just open. You can also tuck it in and dress it up with white jeans. A pastel button-down shirt, a must-have in your spring wardrobe. Embellished jeans. There are so many different types out there, so it doesn't matter what type of embellished jeans you want. There's ones with grommets, there's ones with stitching, there's ones that are floral. You can have like bedazzled, sparkled. I just happened to find these. They were on sale at Hudson's Bay, and they're by Design Lab. I fell in love with them and they were like $69 or $79. Let's see, $79. It's a great thing to have in your wardrobe. Embellished jeans for spring, definitely a staple. Throw them in there, it dresses up any outfit. T-shirt and these jeans and a pair of sandals, you're good to go. A bright colored sweater. A bright color for spring is amazing. So let's narrow it down. Grab a couple sweaters. These ones are really short, which I actually find awesome for spring. You need to have a crop light sweater in your wardrobe for spring. Anything that's high-waisted or shorts, you can throw these on with a pair of jeans. You can go for dinner, or you can also throw it on with a pair of shorts in the summer. They have so many purposes, and it's nice to add some bright colors into your wardrobe. It doesn't have to be expensive because often bright colors change, the trends change. So just go look for something that's economical and you like the color, and add it into your spring wardrobe. Spring sweater. Those are the 5 things you need in your wardrobe this spring. I'm gonna give you one bonus because I talk about this all the time. The vegan Moto jacket It is a must-have. If you see on any websites, they're like the top 5 things stylists say you need this spring. I'm like, well, I've been talking about that for like the last 4 years, how it's a wardrobe basic. The Moto jacket, it goes with every outfit. You can throw it on dresses, you can throw it on with shorts, you can throw it on with pants. If you don't have a Moto jacket in your wardrobe, you are missing out. You are not being able to complete outfits. So I'm giving you a bonus. If you don't have one for spring, grab one. This one was really cheap. It was from Zara. I wear it all the time and I love it. It's super fantastic. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that this video helped you out to narrow down your selections, the 5 things you need for spring, plus 1 bonus. Remember, if you like this video, to hit the subscribe button down below. It's free. I show up in your mailbox. We hang out. I give you the best tips and tricks that I have in my arsenal to share with you to make your life a little bit easier. So that's it. I will see you next week. Thanks for tuning in, you guys.